Hey, we've put in a lot of 2x. We're putting back there. We're going to put a couple more back there. One here, and we'll fix to put the plywood in. And we'll show you what it looks like with the plywood. Everything's done with screws. I'm rolling as quick as I can, so I can't really take you with every bit of this journey. But you're starting to see this is broke on top of a 2x. It's ready to roll. We're going to put in plywood. See you in a little bit. Well, we have been working for 2.5 hours, and we're down to the little bit, and then we're going to go get some flooring after we eat, which is 1:30 already. Put the trim in, and then move the wash machine dryer and start working on the kitchen. Go, go, go. Haven't been at it very long. We're already putting floor covering down, the Traffic Master brand with the grip strip style. And we're making good progress already. Then we're going to put caulking and trim, and then caulking, and then move everything in here. So move it, move it, move it. We're going to have to slide this way to that 2.5. Because this wall is different.
Right.
I have already got it figured out, 2 1/8, but I think it's 30.5 total length across the back. 30.5.
30.5.
Does that work?
Yeah.
So we're taking Traffic Master grip strip, finished it up, except for what we're going to lead into this room with. And then we put 2.5-inch Colonial and caulked it at the bottom so bugs don't get in and out, and cold weather and water doesn't come out and run the floors, but this floor will hold up to it much better. But the caulking is part of the job, and they're happy, and we're over the top probably. Can spend a lot more money, but we end up rebuilding the whole house. See ya.